Understanding Accompany, IELTS vocabulary lesson. Imagine you're at a formal event, and suddenly a live band starts playing. The singer steps up to the microphone, but something's missing. Then, the pianist begins to play, accompanying the singer's voice. This is just one way to understand the word accompany, which we'll explore in today's IELTS vocabulary lesson. Word type. Accompany is primarily used as a verb. Meaning, accompany means to go somewhere with someone as a companion or escort, or to play a musical accompaniment to a singer or soloist. Word history. The word accompany comes from Old French accompagner, which means to associate with. It entered the English language in the late 14th century. Antonyms. Some antonyms for accompany include abandon, desert, leave, and forsake. Synonyms. Synonyms for accompany include escort, attend, go with, join, and complement. Examples used in sentences. Here are 3 examples of how to use accompany in sentences. 1. The teacher asked a parent to accompany the students on their field trip to the museum. 2. The guitarist will accompany the lead singer during the acoustic performance. 3. A light salad often accompanies the main course in many restaurants. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing accompany with escort. While they can be synonymous, accompany is more general, while escort implies a protective or guiding role. Another error is using accompany with inanimate objects incorrectly. For example, you wouldn't say the rain accompanied the wind. Instead, you might say the rain came with the wind. To wrap up, accompany is a versatile word that can describe going along with someone or complementing something else, like in music. Remember its various uses and practice incorporating it into your speaking and writing. Mastering words like accompany will help you express yourself more precisely in the IELTS exam, bringing you closer to that 6.5 band score.